Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 9 raised power x plus 9 raised power x. This is equal to 72. So what is the value of x? Solution. We have that 9 raised power x plus 9 raised power x is equal to 72. 9 raised power x is common. So we factor out 9 raised power x so that we're going to have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 72. Okay, so we're going to have 9 raised to the power x multiplied by, this is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, is equal to 72. So we divide both sides by 2, okay? So that we're going to have 9 raised to the power x, this is equal to 36, okay? To solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm such that we're going to have log 9 raised to the power x, this is equal to log 36, okay? Now from what we have here, we can express 9 as equal to 3 raised to power 2, and 36 on the right hand side can also be expressed as 9 multiplied by 4, okay? Of which 9 we have seen that we can express as 3 squared, okay? So let's substitute this. We're going to have log 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by x, which is 2x. This is equal to log 3 squared multiplied by 4, okay? Now from what we have, we find that log 3 raised to power 2x, this is in the form of log m raised to power n, which we can express as n log m, okay? So let's apply this property. So we are saying that applying this property, that log m raised to power n is equal to n log m, we are going to transform this as 2x log 3. This is equal to log 3 squared multiplied by 4, okay? Now from what we have on the right hand side, which is log 3 squared times 4, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can transform as log a plus log b, okay? Now from here, you're going to have 2x log 3. This is equal to log 3 squared plus log 4, okay? So we divide both sides by log 3, okay? So that we're going to have, we simplify here, we're going to have 2x, this is equal to log 3 squared, this can be expressed as 2 log 3, okay? So applying this property, that is the power rule property of logarithm. So then we have 2 log 3 plus, this is divided by log 3 plus log 4 divided by log 3, okay? So if you simplify here, we're going to have 2x, this is equal to 2 plus log 4 divided by log 3, okay? Log 4 divided by log 3, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b, okay? So let's apply this property so that we're going to have 2x is equal to 2 plus log 4 to base 3, okay? So we divide both sides by 2, divide here by 2, and also here by 2, so that the value of x is equal to, this is 1, plus, this is half log 4 to base 3, okay? So this is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation, okay? So let's verify this. If you recall our equation from our exponential equation, we end that 9 raised to power x plus 9 raised to power x, this is equal to 72, all right? Now from here, this we simplify further to 9 raised to power x, which is equal to 36, okay? So let's substitute the value of x. If we substitute the value of x, we're going to have 9 raised to power 1 plus a half log 4 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 36, okay? So from what we have 9 raised to power 1, okay? Now, 9 raised to power 1 plus a half log 4 to base 3. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can transform as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. So let's apply this property so that we're going to have 9. This is 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to power a half log 4 to base 3, and this is supposed to give us a value of 36. Okay, now from what we have, 9 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 2. Okay, so we have 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by, now this 9 we can transform this as 3 squared multiplied by half log 4 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. Okay, now from what we have, if we simplify this, we are going to have 9 times, this is 3 raised to power log 4 to base 3. This again is supposed to give us a value of 36. Okay, now 3 log 4 to base 3, this is in the form of b raised to power log a to base b, which essentially will give us a value of a. Okay, so applying this property, given 3 raised to power log, given 3 raised to power log 4 to base 3, this is supposed to give us a value of 4. Okay, so let's substitute this 4 back to equation, which is 3 raised to power log 4 to base 3, so that we're going to have 9 times 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 36. And it's true that 9 times 4, this is equal to 36, which happens to be equal to 36. So that essentially shows that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, okay? And that shows that the value of x, which is 1 plus half log 4 to base 3, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching, and if it is your first time to watch this video from this channel, kindly subscribe.